Wait, wait.
I hope what you just said is not the truth.
Say something now. Stop being quiet. This is say the truth. Then you chop her now. Hmm?
Chop her like.
Do you two people have something?
When we
Like
are
you
having
said.
something, was she not enjoying it? Was she not enjoying it?
If I go in there and come out, you won't like yourself.
In and come mad now.
Man is born out.
I come mad now.
Everyone
You
nature
can go and do your
follow
work. Young man,
do your work.
I don't
Yeah. How are you?
Who's there?
Chief, good evening, sir. Good evening, man.
Yeah.
Can we help you? Close the door very well. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is not well. All is not well. Miracle.
Young man, sit down.
No. I don't want to stop. Miracle. Miracle.
I hope all is well.
All is not well. Miracle. Why I'm here now is this. I come here to collect everything I have spent on you. That's why. So everything is not well. So if you know everything, you know how much I'm spending, you know how I'm paying your school fees for 4 good years
Spending.
in the university.
Young man,
You know how I have been buying handouts.
Wait, you cannot come to my house and start shouting to my girl. It doesn't make sense.
you are in
Wait.
somebody's house now.
Okay?
Yes, I know that.
You are in somebody's house, so what's the problem?
See, the problem, like what I said now, I have been in a relationship with your daughter.
Relationship.
For how long?
For good 4 years now.
4 years.
I am the person.
Have you seen him
Baby.
before?
4 years.
Have you
I
seen
didn't
him
know him.
I am the person
Yeah,
in charge of.
what's
I used to pay her school fees. Ask her.
Wait, Oga, wait for the challenge. You used to pay whose school fees? School fees that you used to pay. Is it that you cannot pay our child school fees? Or you can actually
I am telling you that I have been sending school fees to this girl.
Wait. Do you know him?
Sorry.
Sorry.
What matters now is that you are broken up. It's not my best.
Wait! No, you don't like that you are breaking up.
Wait. You mean you have been dating this young man?
That's before.
I want you to deny me before them.
That's before. Now, not
That's
now
before.
anymore.
After I must have trained you in school, you are now a graduate. Now, what
Jay,
My
Wait!
your parents do
Yes.
what? Have I not been paying your school fees?
Hey,
I don't know if your
wait.
parents is paying or not.
Wait, stop saying about school fees. Me that sent my child to school, that day I'm not going to train her what? Huh?
I don't know now. It don't concern me. I don't know whether you're training her or not. But what I know that we have been, we have been together for 4
No,
years.
no, why are you here? Why are you here?
Why I'm here is
Yes.
because I want Miracle to return everything I have paid on her head.
Mom, you want her to
That's
do
all.
it tonight.
If you do it now,
Okay,
You
calm
need to
down.
put your mouth, you need to say
Calm
something.
down.
Huh?
Miracle.
Hi.
You say you know this young man. You know him before.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the matter now?
The matter is that
Wait, both of you, did you agree that you are going to marry?
you don't agree on anything.
Both of you
Wait.
didn't agree.
Yes.
Wait,
We are
just
dating.
it's not
Was
about
it very
You are
bad?
just
we are just dating.
Yes.
And I'm paying your school fees.
And then
Excuse me. Was he
Me and come and analysis.
Wait.
Me and come and analysis.
Wait.
you're just dating.
Was
You
he,
need my
was he giving you money? Because I know we are paying all your fees.
yes. My boyfriend now, why not?
Everybody's giving her money. Oh, you hope it's him now.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, so now.
Yes, because he's the one that
She
went
will
to
pay me
and
my
approached her.
Why I'm
Mama,
here?
I know that then that
Madam,
no.
Madam, please.
Madam,
Madam,
wait,
please.
I beg. You
Madam,
cannot
well, I
come
see
to
that.
us.
I see that now. You're in charge. You're in charge. Madam,
Okay.
please. I'm not here to fight. I'm not here to argue. Why I'm here? It's very simple. I just want her to pay me my money. You're her mother. Thank God you're here. And the dad is
Pay
here.
your money.
Just my
Can
money
I
is
ask
what
you
I need.
something? Oga, if they come say no something, can I ask you something?
Ask me. You're free to ask me. Ask me.
When you guys were dating, you got another thing.
Agam. But I was doing everything for her.
Yeah. Miracle, you.
Wait.
I hope what you just said is not the truth.
Say something now. Stop being quiet. This is say the truth. We are here hustling for you, just to pay you up for university. You never had time. You know what? Everything I will follow tell by that now. Shall you chop her now? Hmm?
Chop her like.
Do you two people have something?
When we are
Like you
having
said,
something, what's she
for
want to
meeting
do?
Amo.
What's she want to do?
You have already collected your money for meeting Amo.
Young man, I don't want to lose my temper. I don't want to lose my temper. Listen carefully, young man. You have spoiled my day. You just spoiled my day. And I don't want to go inside there and come out seeing you there. Let me tell you.
She's a virgin.
As long as both of you did that thing, it means that you were giving her all those money because of that. And how do you expect to take it back? If I go in there and come out, you won't be able to tell what will happen to you.
I'm in support of it.
You have taken the value of whatever you have there.
Okay. No problem.
And you, Miracle, I didn't send you to school to go and misbehave.
No, she went there to start piano.
Can you imagine?
We dare here to suffer for you.
Okay, that is the way you want it.
Young man, if I go in there and come out, you won't like yourself.
In and come out now.
Man, it's boy now.
I come out now.
Everyone
You
needs
can
to
go and do your
follow you.
work. Young man,
Do your work.
I don't want to get up from there before I see you out there. You don't want to
Do anything that I want to do.
get out of these irresponsible young people these days.
You see
Can you imagine?
what I've brought to. So take a
Very irresponsible young people. Can you imagine?
Okay. Okay, I don't have anything to say to you. I don't have anything. Never not suffer. You're here piano.
Very, very irresponsible. Can you imagine?
At this your age.